Homemade loaded pizza. I'm gonna add a little bit of barbecue sauce. It's gonna give it kind of a barbecue chicken vibe, but in the sauce.
Okay. We'll put about half a cup, you think?
Yeah, about a half a cup of each in there. And I've got 2 pounds of store-bought pizza dough. I'm gonna get it on the pan, and then my job is gonna be to spread this into the corners. And then you're gonna put some of that sauce, if you don't mind, into, we got rotisserie chicken here. All right, I'm feeling pretty good.
Okay.
Okay, we're ready.
Okay.
I wanna help you spread it.
Help me, yeah.
We're just gonna leave about a 1/2 inch edge. Yeah, it looks good.
Okay.
I'm gonna put about a half a cup of pepper jack, and then also yellow cheddar. And then you're gonna put your barbecue chicken that you've just done.
Okay.
This is gonna be your side.
Okay.
I've got some chopped up zucchini here, a variety of vegetables. We're gonna have a little bit of everything. You can do it however you want to. We're just doing what we like. You stay on your side, I'll stay on my side.
This sounded like the backseat of our car.
Stay on your side. And then I've got some sliced up red pepper.
I'm just loading this because this
Load
is
it, baby.
Right?
Load it up.
Going, okay.
I think you need to move on to some other meats.
Okay.
And you're gonna put some pepperoni, and you got some ham over there, and some bacon. Because if we were competing, if we were competitive, I'm gonna be done first.
Yeah, well,
just
okay,
FYI.
all right.
Now, this is just one Roma tomato that I've sliced up.
I'm hustling up,
No big deal.
but I have a knife, so be careful.
Okay.
I'm coming in hot with this ham. Get ready. Are you done?
I'm done, but just take your time.
Would you like some pepperonis to spread while I do bacon, or would you just
Oh, I'll be happy to do your job. Yeah, I got it. If you just can't get it done, Beth, I'm here for you. Yeah,
okay,
it's cool.
Fine. Just wait till we hit the lanes. I'm just saying.
And you're gonna need to crumble up that bacon. Do you need some help with that?
No, I got that.
All right.
You're killing me.
I need to get over there with some pepperoni.
You're all in my side now.
Sorry, Mom.
It's okay. No, I invited
She's
you.
on my side.
I invited you to my side. It's on me.
I've got some sliced red onion that I'm gonna go over the whole pizza with.
All right.
All right, I'm just gonna top it with some more cheese, of course.
More cheese, of course.
You want a really hot oven when you're cooking pizza because that's what gives you that crispy crust and it keeps it nice and doughy on the inside, which is what you want. So our oven is at 475, and this is gonna go into the oven just until it's brown and bubbly. It's going to be amazing.
It's going to be delicious.
I think the pizza's ready, so I'm gonna grab it out of the oven. It smells amazing. Hello, lover. Hello.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
That's beautiful.
I'm gonna slice it up and just put a few pieces on a platter.
Oh, yeah.
I was wondering what kind of pizza you would like.
I think I'm gonna start with the meat.
Okay.
Thank you very
This
much.
looks so good. I'll go with veggies so we can compare notes.
Okay, good call.
This is the perfect meal. Cheers.
Cheers to strikes and spares.
Nice.
That is
Pizza?
delicious.
Good?
Yes, the sauce, pretty amazing. You got the barbecue and
marinara.
and the marinara. That is fantastic.